Ever stumble across a gadget so clever it makes you wonder, why didn't I find this sooner? That's exactly what today's video is all about. Welcome to RevX, where we bring you the smartest, coolest, and most useful gadgets on the internet. No gimmicks, just tech that actually makes everyday life better. If you love discovering amazing gadgets, hit subscribe. All the buy links are in the description, so you can grab your favorites instantly. Let's dive in.
This isn't just a floor lamp, it's a complete lighting experience. The Govee Smart Floor Lamp features 3 adjustable light heads that let you brighten multiple areas or focus light exactly where you need it. Choose from 16 million colors, 64 dynamic lighting scenes, or adjust the color temperature from warm and cozy to bright daylight. Sync the lights with your music, control everything using Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee transform any room into the perfect space for relaxing, gaming, or entertaining. It's smart lighting that completely changes the mood of your home.
Turn any room into your own private movie theater with this portable HD projector. It even comes with a free 80-inch foldable screen, so you're ready for movie night right out of the box. Enjoy crisp 1080p supported visuals on a display up to 220 inches. Then connect your favorite Bluetooth speaker or switch the projector into Bluetooth speaker mode for music anytime. With HDMI and USB support, it's perfect for gaming, streaming, presentations, or backyard movie nights. Compact, easy to carry, and packed with features, this projector brings the big screen experience wherever you go.
Imagine carrying every charging cable you need on your keychain. This 4-in-1 mini charging cable is small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to charge almost all your devices. It supports USB-C, Lightning, and USB-A connections, with up to 140-watt fast charging for compatible devices. The built-in LED display even shows your real-time charging power, while fast data transfer keeps your files moving quickly. Built with a durable braided cable and metal connectors, it's the perfect everyday carry gadget for travel, work, or life on the go.
If you spend hours at your desk, this myComeland LED desk lamp is a serious upgrade. Its 7 adjustable joints let you position the light exactly where you need it, whether you're working, drawing, or crafting. The 45-degree asymmetric lighting reduces screen glare, making long work sessions much easier on your eyes. It also features smart auto brightness, high CRI 90+ eye-friendly LEDs, and adjustable color temperatures from warm to cool white. With multiple lighting modes and a memory function that remembers your last setting, this desk lamp combines comfort, flexibility, and professional lighting in one sleek design.
Need a full workstation that fits in your bag? This foldable wireless keyboard and mouse combo gives you a full-size typing experience anywhere you go. Connect up to 3 devices at once and switch between your laptop, tablet, or phone with a single tap. The quiet keys and compact mouse make it perfect for coffee shops, flights, and meetings, while the durable folding design slips easily into your backpack. With months of standby battery life on a single charge, it's the ultimate portable setup for travel, work, and productivity on the go.
Messy cables and tangled extension cords? These heavy-duty hook-and-loop storage straps make organization quick and effortless. With 3 different sizes included, you can neatly bundle everything from charging cables and garden hoses to power tools and extension cords. The durable hook-and-loop design is fully adjustable, while the built-in triangular clip lets you hang them on hooks, fences, backpacks, or in your garage for easy access. Strong enough to hold up to 48.5 pounds, these reusable straps are a simple solution to keep your home, workshop, or travel gear neat and organized. Need a soldering iron that's fast, compact, and built for precision? The FNRSI HS02 heats up in seconds with up to 100 watts of power, making it perfect for electronics repair, circuit boards, jewelry, and DIY projects. Its bright display and ergonomic grip make every job more comfortable, while 3 preset temperature modes let you switch settings instantly. With 6 interchangeable tips, smart sleep mode, and automatic power off for added safety, this portable soldering kit delivers professional performance wherever your projects take you.
Tired of messy charging cables hanging all over your car? This 3-in-1 retractable car charger keeps everything neat while charging up to 3 devices at the same time. Compatible with iPhones, Android phones, and USB-C devices, it features retractable cables that extend when needed and automatically rewind when you're done. The 360-degree rotating design lets passengers charge comfortably from any angle, while built-in safety protection keeps every device charging safely. Whether you're on a road trip, driving for rideshare, or just traveling with family, this smart car gadget keeps everyone powered up without the clutter.
This looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. This magnetic levitating light bulb floats and spins freely in midair using advanced magnetic levitation technology with no wires or visible support. The bulb is powered wirelessly through induction and turns on or off with a simple touch. Its energy-efficient LED is built to last for years, making it both practical and eye-catching. Whether it's on your desk, in your living room, or at the office, this futuristic lamp is guaranteed to grab attention and start conversations.
Fixing electronics doesn't have to be complicated. This 52-in-1 precision screwdriver kit packs 48 different bit types into a compact pocket-sized case, making it perfect for phones, laptops, tablets, drones, watches, and more. The magnetic handle securely locks each bit in place while helping you pick up tiny screws without frustration. Built from durable CRV steel, it's designed for long-lasting performance, and the sliding magnetic case keeps everything neatly organized. Whether you're repairing gadgets or tackling DIY projects, this compact toolkit has almost every bit you'll need.
Want better photos and smoother videos without carrying bulky gear? This 71-inch selfie stick tripod is the perfect all-in-one solution. Its extra tall height helps you capture wider angles for travel, group photos, and creative shots. The universal mount works with smartphones, cameras, and even GoPros, while the cold shoe lets you attach a microphone or LED light for professional quality content. The included wireless remote makes hands-free shooting super easy, and the reinforced tripod base keeps every shot stable and shake-free. If you're into vlogging, live streaming, or travel photography, this is one gadget you'll definitely want in your bag.
Want to charge all your Apple devices without the cable mess? This Acer 7-in-1 wireless charging station does it all. Charge 2 iPhones wirelessly at the same time. Power up your Apple Watch and AirPods, and even use the extra USB ports for additional devices. It also features a smart LED clock with Bluetooth time sync, adjustable night lighting, and a built-in phone stand for hands-free viewing while charging. Compact, stylish, and packed with smart features, it's the perfect all-in-one charging hub for your desk or bedside table.
Losing your wallet while traveling is every traveler's nightmare, but this ultra-slim smart tracker helps you stay one step ahead. Shaped like a regular credit card, it slips discreetly into your wallet without adding any bulk. Using Apple's Find My network, you can locate your wallet in seconds or trigger a loud 100 dB alarm if it's nearby. It even sends alerts if you accidentally leave it behind. With over 5 years of battery life, an IP68 waterproof design, and no subscription fees, it's a simple, stress-free way to protect your valuables wherever you go.
Tiny messes don't need a big vacuum. This mini cordless desktop vacuum makes cleaning quick and effortless. With powerful suction and a high-speed motor, it easily picks up crumbs, dust, pet hair, pencil shavings, and other small debris from your desk, keyboard, car, or workspace. The rechargeable battery lets you use it almost anywhere, while the compact, lightweight design fits comfortably in your hand. Best of all, it runs quietly, so you can keep your space spotless without the noise. It's a simple little gadget that makes everyday cleanup a whole lot easier.
Tired of blurry group photos or shaky long exposure shots? This Odilon wireless camera remote makes shooting completely hands-free. It works with a huge range of Canon cameras, plus selected Fujifilm, Olympus, Pentax, Samsung, and Hasselblad models. You can trigger your camera wirelessly from up to 80 meters away, or use it as a wired shutter remote when needed. It supports autofocus, single shot, continuous shooting, time-lapse, and bold mode, making it perfect for photography,
vlogging, astrophotography, and creative projects. If you want more freedom behind the camera, this compact gadget is definitely worth checking out. Wish your desk had one charger for everything? The Anker 10-in-1 charging station is built to do exactly that. It features 6 AC outlets, built-in retractable USB-C cables, plus extra USB ports, so you can power up to 10 devices at once without cable clutter. Enjoy fast charging with up to 100 watts of shared output, while Anker's Active Shield 2.0 technology constantly monitors temperature to help protect your devices. Whether you're working, gaming, or charging your everyday gear, this smart power station keeps your setup clean, organized, and ready for anything.
That's a wrap for today's awesome gadgets. If even one of them caught your attention, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. All the buy links are waiting in the description if you want to check them out. For more smart, useful, and next-level tech, subscribe to RevX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.